No! Oliver is jumping up and down. He is holding his tummy. He needs the toilet, but there is no toilet here.
It is Saturday morning. The sun is shining. The family is in the kitchen.
Good news, everyone! We are going to the Countryside Park today.
The Countryside Park? I love that place. It has a big lake. Can I bring my ball? I want to play on the grass.
Of course. Bring your ball. I will play with you.
Yay! I love the park. Can I have more juice, Mom?
Okay, but just one more glass. And Oliver, go to the toilet before we leave. Are you sure? It is a long drive to the park.
Yes, Mom. I am very sure. Let us go. How long is the drive, Dad?
About half an hour, sweetie.
I see cows and sheep. Look, Emma.
After a long drive, Oliver starts to move in his seat. He is a little uncomfortable.
Oliver, are you okay? You are moving a lot. I am fine. I am just excited about the park.
They arrive at the Countryside Park. It is very beautiful. There are big trees, green grass, and a sparkling lake.
Wow, it is so beautiful here. I can see the lake.
This is the perfect spot for our picnic. Help me carry the basket, Emma. The family sets up the picnic under a big tree. Anna puts the blanket on the grass. Thomas opens the basket.
I made sandwiches, fruit salad, and I brought lots of juice.
Juice! I want juice, please! Oliver, you already had 2 glasses of juice at home.
After eating, Oliver and Thomas play with the ball. Emma and Anna walk by the lake.
Dad, kick the ball to me. I am ready.
Here it comes. Catch it, Oliver. Oliver is running and playing. Suddenly he stops. His face changes. He looks down at his tummy.
Oh no. Oh no, no, no.
Oliver? What is wrong? Are you okay?
Dad, I need the toilet. I really need the toilet.
The toilet? Oh, okay. Thomas looks around. But there is no toilet anywhere. Just trees, grass, and the lake.
Dad, please, I cannot wait. I really need to go.
Anna, come here. We have a problem.
What happened? Is Oliver okay?
He needs the toilet. And there is no toilet here.
Oliver, Mom told you to go to the toilet before we left. I know. I am sorry. But please help me. I cannot wait. Wait, before we find the toilet, can you help us too? Please like this video and comment. Tell us what story you want in the next video. Please hurry. I cannot wait. Okay, let us find a toilet. Thomas, is there a building near here?
Yes, I see a restroom building over there.
Perfect! Let's go, everyone!
Yay, adventure.
I think there is a visitor center over that hill. Let us go, quickly! The whole family starts running. Oliver is running the fastest.
Is it far? How much longer? I really need to go.
Almost there. I can see a building. Keep running. They run to the building. But something is wrong. The door is locked. No, it is closed. Closed on Saturdays.
Closed? No! What do I do?
Do not worry, Oliver. We will find another toilet. Come, let us keep looking.
I think I see something over there. Is that a cafe?
Yes. Good eyes, Emma. That is a cafe. They will have a toilet. Let us go. Thomas carries Oliver on his back. The family runs toward the cafe. They run very fast.
Faster, Dad. Please go faster.
They arrive at the small cafe.
The cafe. We are here. Where is the toilet? Excuse me. Does your cafe have a toilet? My son really needs to use it.
Of course, dear. It's just around the corner to your right. The cafe worker smiles. She points to a small hallway. But there is a problem. There is a queue.
A queue? There are people waiting? I cannot wait.
You have to wait, Oliver. Stand in the queue.
It will be fast.
I will wait with you, buddy, just a little bit longer. Oliver waits in the queue. One person goes in, then another person goes in. Oliver is bouncing and bouncing.
How long is this? I am next. I am next. You can do it, Oliver. Just a little more.
Finally, the door opens. Oliver runs in. Yes, finally, the toilet.
He made it. Thank goodness.
That was too close.
After a few minutes, the door opens. Oliver comes out.
That is so much better. I feel so good. Your face was so funny, Oliver. You were bouncing like a kangaroo. It is not funny, Emma. I was very scared.
Let us buy something from this nice cafe. As a thank you for the toilet.
Can I have a cookie? And some water, please. No more juice for me today.
That is a very smart choice, Oliver. The family sits outside the cafe at a small table. They eat their snacks and enjoy the beautiful view.
Oliver, what did you learn today?
Always go to the toilet before we leave the house.
That is right. And never drink too much juice before a trip.
And always listen to Mom. Yes, Mom was right. I am sorry, Mom.
It is okay, sweetie. I am glad we found the toilet in time.
Now, a question for you. Why did Oliver need the toilet so badly? A, because he ate too much food. B, because he drank too much juice. C, because he ran too fast. Think about it. The answer is
B. Oliver drank too much juice. 2 big glasses at home and more at the picnic.
Thank you for watching. Did you enjoy this story? If you want more fun English stories, please subscribe to our channel.
And remember, always go to the toilet before you leave. Bye-bye.